Spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it again. Oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुर तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरक्तचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिका अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीं ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्राङ्करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समं दहसि तीक्ष्णां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिका ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Lalita Sahasranam session, our final session with learning the pronunciations on the Navratri's auspicious time. But the fine-tuning of the pronunciations, individual corrections, will happen from next Friday onwards. Not this week's, not the day after tomorrow, the following Friday. Tomorrow we will have a session where I will chant the whole Sahasranam. Okay, so tomorrow's day is not for learning. Whatever we have learned, you will just hear and keep that how it sounds, what happens and how. And then day after tomorrow, I'll post the audio of the Dhyana Shlokas, which you have to prepare for the next Friday, not the day after. And also, there were several chanting rules that we learned in the course of time. So the tutorials of that will be posted also in the group. I will keep open till up to about Sunday or Monday. Let's see how. So that if you have any doubts, you can ask over there for the portion that is said. Or if the chanting rules have been said, then you are not understood a particular chanting rule, you can ask over there till about Sunday or Monday we can keep. Then I'll close the group. Then every Friday thereafter, 9 a.m. India time, it will open to receive your audience till about 6 p.m. India time. And then there are people from different parts of the world. If it is not suiting or something, please let me know. Then we will change accordingly, which suits all the time zones. Okay. So now today we have to start from 175. Complete that about last 8.5 verses. And then we will get into the Shama Prarthana verses as well. Okay. So 176. Mataji. धराधरसुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी
धराधरसुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी
लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका
लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका धराधरसुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका.
So over here, the Mahapranas, again that dha sound has to come from the bottom of the belly. Dhara, then dharasutta, then dhanya. So it's like the repetition of Mahaprana. We have to hold the power throughout that verse. Dharmini. So ani is a murdhani nakara. The tongue has to touch the roof of the palate. Also dirgha. Dharma, again, dharma vardhini. So vardhini's knee is a dental knee. So the tongue should touch the teeth. And the dharmini's knee is a murdhani nakara. So all these variations we will have to do in the first line. Second line, loka tita. The tita is a dirghati. We cannot, loka tita we cannot say. Loka tita, one extra matra on the ti has to come. Guna tita, dirghati has to come. Sarva tita. So all those t's are dirgha. Shamatmika, that me is a short sound. धराधरसुता धन्या धर्मिणी धर्मवर्धिनी लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वातीता शमात्मिका. This one, you just ask them to take from, one packet, let them take and let them take the food. That's the Pilkuman Padasumangali. Later. Okay. Sorry. बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी
बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी
सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी
सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी बंधूक कुसुम प्रख्या बाला लीला विनोदिनी सुमंगली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी.
बंधूक ध महाप्राणा and ukara is a dirgha. Kusuma prakhya, ma is having a dvitra. And prakhya's pha is a mahaprana. Bala Leela. Li is a dirgha li. Vinodini normal. Ni is a dirgha. Sumangali. We have to drag that E because it's a dirgha sound. Sukhakari. That kha is a mahaprana. And Ri again we are dragging. Suvesha. Shra should be murdhani Shra. And Dhya is a mahaprana. Suveshadhya. That whole thing has to change in the mouth very quickly. And Suvasini's knee ending dirgha. Bandhuka kusuma prakhya bala leela vinodini sumankali sukhakari suveshadhya suvasini suvasinyarchana prita shobhana shuddha manasa.
सुवासिन्यर्चन प्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा
बिन्दुतर्पण सन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
Suvasi, that C is a dvitva because nya is a conjunct. Suvasinyarcha sinya, like that. And then nya will, after nya there is a rakara. So suvasinyar, nyar you have to say. Then chana will come. Suvasinyar chana, nyar, but suvasin. One, that half na is again coming in sin. Suvasinyarchana, nyarchana, huh? Sinya, like that. That C will have a, so mark that alphabet and come, key. Then in that na, Suvasinyarchana's na, that is a dvitva because next is a conjunct. So Suvasinyarchana prita, prita should happen and pri is dirgha sound. And then Ashobhana is there. So we hold the Prita's akara. We don't say Ashobhana in pronunciation. Prita Shobhana. So we are saying Shobhana, but Prita we are dragging. And Shuddha Manasa. The Dha is a Mahaprana. Second line, Bindu Tarpana Santushta. Shakara in the Santushta should be Murdani. The tongue should touch the roof of the palate. Purvaja. Pu is a Dirgha sound. Tripurambika. Suvasinyarchana prita shobhana shuddhamanasa bindutarpana santushta purvaja tripurambika dashamudra samarabhya tripura Shrivashankari.
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
Dasha mudra. Mudra is a dvitva sound. Samaradhya. Dhya is a mahaprana. Tripura Shri. Dirgha is Shri. Vashankari. Ri is Dirgha. Jnana mudra. Mu is having a pressure. Jnana gamya. Ga is having a pressure. Jnanadneya. Na is having a pressure. Jnanadneya. Nadneya dvitva sound has to come. Swarupini, we have seen many times. Dashamudra Samaradhya Tripura Shri Vashankari Jnanamudra Jnanagamya Jnanajneya Swarupini Yoni Mudra Trikhandeshi Trigunamba Trikonaga
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
Again, Yoni Mudra. Three Chandeshi. Ha Mahaprana. Deshi Dirgha. Trigunamba. Trikonaga. All those anakaras should come very nice, huh? Not to say Trigunamba, Trikonaga. No, not. Those are lazy pronunciation. The tongue has to take effort to touch the roof of the palate. Then, Anaghadbhuta. So, Adbhuta we will not say. Anagha, in that gha, that a is there. Anaghadbhuta. So, we are going to say ghadbhuta. Anaghadbhuta. Okay. Charitra, charitra. Ri is a dvitva sound. Vanchi, the cha is a Mahaprana. Tartha, tha is a Mahaprana. And the tha will have a dvitva sound. Vanchitartha pradayini. Thap pradayini should happen. योनि मुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुत चारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर्ज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
Bhya. A is a dvitva. That bha has to come in that a. Abhya. Sati sha yajnata. Ya is a dvitva. Mark all this, huh? Then sha. Sha is a murdhani. Then shadadhva. That da is a dvitva. Shadadhva. That dhva is a mahaprana. Tita is a dirgha. Rupini we have seen. So a lot of things in that first line. Abhyasatishayajnata pradadvatita. So it should all happen. Mahaprana should happen. Ritva should happen. Dirghas also should be maintained. Second line, Abhyaja. Again, that A is a murdhani sound. Karuna murtir. Mu is a dirgha. Murtir rajnana. That A or that R will be a dvitva sound. Nadhvanta, that na is also a dvitva sound. Deepika. D is a dirgha, T is a hasva sound. Abhyasatishayajnata षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिर्रज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका. So all those consecutive dvitvas we should get, maintaining the mahapranas and the dirghas. आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना.
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना.
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी.
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी. आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना. श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी.
Abalagopavidita, all plain. Sarva nullanghya. Nu will have a pressure, double l is there. Nullanghya. Bha is a mahaprana over there. Ghya sound has to happen. Shasana, dirgha. Shri Chakra. Cha is a dvitva sound. Nilaya. Shrimat Tripura Sundari. Dirgha sound. Ri is a dirgha. आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना. श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी. With her krupa, let's get into that final verse. Shri Shiva Shivashaktyaikyarupini Lalitambika.
श्री शिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका.
एवं श्री ललिता देव्या नाम्नां सहस्रकञ्जगुः.
एवं श्रीललिता देव्या नाम्नां सहस्रकञ्जगुः. श्री शिवा शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिणी ललिताम्बिका. एवं श्रीललिता देव्या नाम्नां सहस्रकञ्जगुः.
Excellent. That last one. So Shri Shiva. Shri is Dirgha, Shiva, she is short. Shiva Shaktiyaikya. Sh will have a pressure. Shaktiyaikya. So kya, Shakyai, that ya sound has to happen. And ai ki matra should also come. Rupini Dirgha Lalitambika. Then evam anuswara zumakara. Evam Shri Dirgha Lalita Devya Namna Anuswara Zumakara again. Sahasrakan Jaguhu. Anuswara Nyakara Jaguhu. Shri Shiva Shiva Shatyaikyya Rupini Lalitambika. Evam Shri Lalita Devya Namnam Sahasrakam Jaguhu. Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
It's not written there, right over there. Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane.
Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane.
Uttarakhande.
Uttarakhande.
Shri Hayagriva Shri Hayagriva Agastya Samvade.
Shri Hayagriva-Agastya Samvade.
Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram Sampurnam.
Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram Sampurnam. Om Tat Sat. Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane Uttarakhande Shri Hayagriva-Agastya Samvade Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram Sampurnam.
Good. So, iti. In iti, e and ti both are short sound. Shri, in Brahmanda Purana, Shri Brahmanda Purana, that Shri is Dirgha. Brahmanda. Brahm, not Brahma. Brahmanda. Anakara Murdhani, da. Purane, not Purane. Purane. Na is a Murdhani Nakara. Touch the tongue to the roof of the palate. Uttarakhande. U is a Dvitva sound. Uttara, double ta is there. Uttarakhande, kha is a Mahaprana, de, ana is a Murdhani, and de is Alpa Prana only. Shri Dirgha Hayagri, Yagri, that ya is having a Dvitva. So you mark that ya, Hayagriva Gastya Samvade, not Samvade or Sanvade. Shri Dirgha Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Sampur. Anam. Ana again, Murdhani Nakara. Om Tat Sat. Iti Shri Brahmanda Purane Uttarakhande Shri Hayagriva Agastya Samvade Shri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram Sampurnam. Om. So with this, with her Kripa, we have done 183 verses in these last 9.5 days, 10 days. Now we go to the 4 verses of Shama Prarthana. So it will be there in the text which I've posted. In the end, you must be having. Does everybody have? Anybody is not having the Shama Prarthana? All are having.
Where is it? Excuse me?
Okay, in the WhatsApp group, I had posted a PDF couple of days ago of English and Sanskrit. So open that Sanskrit PDF and scroll till the end.
Okay.
Did you get
Thank
it?
you. I will find.
Okay, in the WhatsApp message, did you get? Are you there in the Lalita Sahasranam group?
Yes.
Okay. So, did you get that WhatsApp message where PDFs are shared?
This is the class. I have not checked because I had the text. Yes, I have it here.
Okay, fine. So everybody is having, anybody is having difficulty not finding anything? All have it? Okay. So now let's learn those 4 verses. Shama Prarthana. गुह्याद् गुह्य गोप्त्रीत्वं गृहाणास्मत्कृतं जपम्
गुह्याद् गुह्य गोप्त्रीत्वं गृहाणास्मत्कृतं जपन्
सिद्धेर्भवतु मे देवि त्वत्प्रसादान्मयि स्थिरा
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवि त्वत्प्रसादान्मयि स्थिरा गुह्याद् गुह्य गोप्त्रीत्वं गृहाणास्मत्कृतं जपन् गुह्याद् गुह्य गोप्त्रीत्वं गृहाणास्मत्कृतं जपम् सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवि त्वत्प्रसादान्मयि स्थिरा
देवी, only they will be dirgha, we only is a rasva sound.
Sorry. गुह्याद् गुह्य गोप्त्रीत्वं गृहाणास्मत्कृतं जपम् सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवि Is it that way, Varshaji?
Devi, they is dirgha, we is only dvitva.
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे देवि त्वत्प्रसादान्मयि स्थिरा
Correct. Guhyat, her and a year together. So hat sound has to come. Guhya, her and a year sound has to come. Go tri tvam. The tvam anuswara, because there is no padabre. Grihanasmat kritanjapam. Okay. Grihana. Ana is a murdhani. Siddhir. The dha is a mahaprana. Bhavatu me. Me is dirgha. Dev is de is dirgha. But we is short. Dvitva. Siddhir bhavatu me. De vitvat prasadan. Maisthera. Guhyat guhya gopri tvang gruhana asmatkritan japam. सिद्धेर भवतु मे देवि त्वत्प्रसादान् मयि स्थिरा यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत्
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत्
तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
So yadakshara, the is a dvitva, padabhrashtam, that the is a dvitva, bhra is a mahaprana, bhrashtam, shakara is a murdhani shakara, matra hinantu, anuswaras nakara, hinam, he is a dirgha sound, yad bhavet, bha is a mahaprana. Second line, tat sarvang, not na, sarvang, like Ganga, sarvang, sir, because in Kshamyatam, it is a K and a Sh. So, Sarvang Kshamyatam Devi. Anuswara is Nakara. Devi is Ikar is short. Narayani is Ani is short. Namostute. Yadaksharapadabhrashtam matra hinantu yadbhavet. Tatsarvang Kshamyatam Devi Narayani Namostute. विसर्गबिन्दु मात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च
विसर्गबिन्दु मात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च
न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व परमेश्वरि
न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व परमेश्वरि विसर्गबिन्दु मात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व परमेश्वरि
all plain visarga bindu matrani nakara is short padapadaksharaani that ani is also short nyunani that new is a long nyunani chati riktani re is having a pressure and ni will also have riktani kshamasva parameshwari if you are keeping it together If you're breaking the pada, then no dvitva sound. Visarga bindu matrani pada padaksharaणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व parameshwari. Parameshwari is re is short. The re will be long in a prathama ekvachan. Re is short in a sambodhan. So what is this prathama sambodhan and all? Don't worry about it. Some Sanskrit grammar rule. When it is dirgha, it is in the first what we can say, prathama vibhakti is the first case, where it denotes the doer of the action in a voice, or you have to point out somebody. So that is a prathama vibhakti first case. But a sambodhan is you are addressing, like, oh Lord. So like that, oh Parameshwari. So when you are addressing in a sambodhan vibhakti, it is a hasva ikara. Otherwise it would have been a virgha ikara for Parameshwari. Visarga bindu matrani pada padaksharaणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व Parameshwari. Last verse. Anyatha sharanam nasti tvameva sharanam mama.
Anyatha sharanam nasti tvameva sharanam mama.
Tasmat karunya bhavena raksha maheshwari.
Tasmat karunya bhavena raksha maheshwari. Anyatha sharanam nasti tvameva sharanam mama. Tasmat karunya bhavena raksha maheshwari.
Thank you, Lataji. Thank you so much. I said this so. The last, just give me a minute. Okay. So, anyatha sharanam nasti. Anuswaras nakara. Nasti tvameva. Ti will be a dvitva. Tvameva. Sharanam mama. Anuswara will be ma only. Tasmat karunya. Nakara is a murdi nakara. Bhavena. Bha is a mahaprana. Raksha maheshwari. Anyatha sharanam nasti tvameva sharanam mama. Tasmat karunya bhavena raksha maheshwari. So good. On the Mahanavami day, we have completed her names, chanting her glories. And tomorrow on Dashami day, we'll just get ourselves introduced. It's always like in India, we have this custom of starting a new class, new thing, any new lesson on a Dashami day. So tomorrow, let us take it as our how to do a complete Parayanam of Lalita Sahasranam. So tomorrow we'll all chant this. It will take about 40-45 minutes. Okay. Any doubt in today's session? Or anybody wants to chant any verse and show? Okay. So let's end today's session. Meet tomorrow. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Durgarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining, giving this opportunity for yourself as well for me. And we meet again tomorrow.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om, Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you, Manu.